G'day, it's Liam from Conplant, here today to run you through the Wacker Neuson RC70 smooth drum roller, 7 tonne. This machine is also available in dedicated PD, padfoot, and VIO machine, which is vibration oscillation. At first glance, the most noticeable difference about this machine is its lower centre of gravity. Now we get this by using torque hubs, not a differential. So with that, we get better traction and stability, and we have no diff, so there's less moving parts, less to worry about. We also get up to 55 degrees gradeability with vibration, 60 degrees without. The engine on this unit is a Kubota V3307, and this is a Tier 4 compliant unit, which by means of after treatment, which is DOC DPF, which means for the customer, there's no AdBlue required. Daily checks on this unit. Dipstick, oil dipstick, oil fill. You can have a look at the air cleaner, just give it a bit of a squeeze and you can detach the cover there pretty easy. Your fuel filter bank is sitting under there. You've got your separator and your fuel filter. Belt tension. Now the fan on this machine is hydrostatic, so there's no belts. If you snap belts, there's no belts to worry about. Fuel tank, 123 litres. Battery, just sitting in there, 12 volt system. All of these are secured under the bonnet, which is lockable also. Your coolant, visual check. Hydraulic oil tank, visual inspection, you've got the sight glass there. Also a point to note is the hydraulic oil tank is sitting out the side. It's steel, better for heat dissipation. And you've got the 2 filters sitting either side of the articulation. Just pointing out a few component locations. Air conditioning compressor, DPF filter. You've also got some hydraulic test ports just sitting under the cab. Another key feature of this machine is the 3-point articulation. So if you're going down to the articulation joint there, it's 3 points. Mainly helps us with contact with the drum, contact on the ground, and operator comfort. So the machine is more stable when it's vibrating and traveling. Moving along to the front frame. Hydraulic hoses are all protected, all kept within the front frame. Your drum thickness is 25mm, and you also got poly scrapers sitting down the side. On front and rear, you've also got bigger clean out spaces, which is better for your overburden and it gets rid of your spoil easier. The drum setup within the frame is by rubber buffers, which is quite standard across the industry. The cabin on this unit is certified ROPS FOPS. Air conditioning is standard. You've got your AC unit up the top. Washer bottle top up just in the back here. Jumping up into the cab, just some quick adjustments. Seat swivel. Forward reverse adjustment. On this unit you can also adjust the cluster. And you've also got an ergonomic handpiece. Now with this handpiece, the revs are increased or decreased depending on where your position is. You've got vibration switch. You've also got the horn underneath. The layout of the dash is the easy drive system with all your monitoring and adjustments pretty straightforward. In this unit we have an operator seatbelt alert switch and a seat switch also incorporated for safety. Another key feature of this cab is the fold out windows on both sides. You've also got storage for documents and or first aid kit or toolbox in these positions down here. You've got your fan adjustment just down to that left hand side, and you've also got 8 vents fitted. We bring our units in with the road lighting kit standard fitted to the cab and also to the rear, and you notice the lights are slightly inset for protection. And that wraps up the walk around of the Wacker Neuson RC70 smooth drum roller. For more information, please jump on the website or talk to one of our sales team.